Support for this project is provided by Mountain Khakis. Work hard, play harder. Hey everyone, and thanks for tuning in. I'm John Peters. For this week's project, I built a toolbox for the front of my four-wheeler. Let's get started. For the bottom and sides of the box, I'm using a piece of my old outfeed table, which is 3/4 inch Baltic birch plywood. Baltic birch plywood is extremely strong and does a great job of holding nails and screws. Because the hedge clipper is so long, I'm just going to cut a U shape out on the side of the box, and that way the handle of the hedge clipper can hang out of the box. To build this project, I'm using wood glue, and I'll tack all the parts together with 1.5" nails. And once the entire box is complete, I'll reinforce the joints with screws. On the front and back of the box, I'm using 1/2 inch plywood, and again, this is just some old plywood that's been kicking around the shop for a while, and I'm happy to finally put it to use. I use my cordless chainsaw for about 70% of the projects around the house now, but I also want the box to be able to fit my gas-powered saw for some of those bigger projects. With the box assembled, I'm ready to add the screws, and I'll pre-drill and countersink first, being sure not to pre-drill too deep. Here I'm using a 1/2 inch drill bit to add a few drainage holes to the bottom of the box. I made a little mistake here, and a quick fix for that is to drill a finger hole at the bottom. I used an old 2x4 to pad up the bottom of the box and elevate the chainsaw off the bar of the hedge clipper. I used the bandsaw to cut out a rough shape of kind of what the bottom of the chainsaw looks like. A better idea might have been to cut out a U shape that would still elevate the chainsaw, but also create a space to store an extra chain. I also attached a small piece of 2x4, and that will keep the chainsaw from moving around in the box. The last thing I'll add to the box is a place to store the chainsaw tools, and this will also do a good job of locking the bar oil in place. Okay, well that looks pretty good, and now it's ready for a few coats of paint. Okay, well, I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I'm looking forward to putting it to use. I know the color is a little light. I just happen to have this paint in the shop. I'll probably get through the season and then paint it again with something that matches the rack in the front of the four-wheeler and the back of the four-wheeler. But for now, it gives it a little protection. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.